Hello everyone, in this video you are going to learn about best Canvas 22 plus color calibration settings. Best Canvas 22 plus color calibration settings. Display settings. Brightness 70% or lower to prevent eye strain and maintain natural tones. Contrast set to 50% for balanced highlights and shadows. Gamma adjust to 2.2 for standard tonal accuracy. Color temperature set to 6500K default neutral white. RGB calibration red slightly increase to enhance warmth if whites appear too cold. Green adjust to maintain a balanced white point. Blue reduce slightly if whites or grays have a bluish tint. Tools and methods. Software use professional tools like Spider X or DisplayCal for ICC profile generation and precise adjustments. Manual calibration. Use the UN driver to adjust individual color channels and gamma. Set the mode to custom for flexibility. Maintenance. Recalibration. Perform every 3 to 6 months for consistency. Environment. Avoid using the tablet under harsh lighting to reduce reflections. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment, and share our video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for upcoming videos.